Organic food products since 6 years, like 100% organic, free chemical processed foods like organic jaggery. We have categorized into three groups, namely organic jaggery products, organic vacuum packed groceries, organic chili powder, spices, and it's commonly called as spices. We will see first organic jaggery powder, organic jaggery products. What are the organic jaggery products? Here the chemical free jaggery, chemical free jaggery powder, chemical free ginger jaggery powder, chemical free jaggery liquid. These are comes under the jaggery products, organic jaggery products. And later it comes chemical free red chili powder, organic millets, premium quality Kashmiri saffron, and Kashmiri khawa mix. So we will discuss these 8 products of our GLI Organic Food Company. We provide only quality, not quantity. It comes only quality and better quality and quantity, and you can trust our company. We have all organic food certificates. Then we have other lab test reports. Okay, let me go into the another organic jaggery products which we have. So we can see it. What is next? First one, it is an organic jaggery, which comes in it's like a cone shape, which is made up of pure sugar cane juice with the chemical free process. Chemical free process. It is free from all chemicals like phosphorus, sulfur, and for the molding process only 0.05% calcium we have used for this, because to stand it we have to use that little amount of calcium, and other than that we don't have any chemicals like harmful chemicals like sulfur, phosphorus, like that. Okay, it ready first. So you should know about what is the benefits of this organic jaggery. Organic jaggery, which which reduces constipation. It is natural sweetener, good source, and it has an same properties like honey, but we are seeing in market the honey are very bad products. We will see it is an fake. We don't get an 100% natural honey. So what we should do means we can take it this organic jaggery. It is all the properties which are similar to the honey. About this one, organic chemical free jaggery powder. Nowadays they are using only chemical free jaggery powder, because the refined sugar when we use in tea, coffee, or some other beverages, the refined sugar is not good for the health. So they use nowadays they are using chemical free jaggery powder. It acts as a detox, and it cleans our body. It cleans our body, and you can see here all the it boosts our resistance, immunity power, and our building strong and against the infections. So you can use this jaggery powder in tea, coffee, and some other beverages. Also, it's very good in taste, and you can buy it from our market, or if anybody wants our products to resell. So we are giving an wholesale price near our godown. Okay. Organic liquid jaggery. Organic liquid jaggery. Why we are talking about this organic liquid jaggery means it is made up of a pure organic sugarcane juice and lady's finger extract and herbals extract also. Here we can see in this picture, we can use this organic liquid jaggery in bread, like that. We can avoid some this chemical jams and mixed fruit jams. It is an only chemicals. It's not an 100% natural fruits and natural fruits, because they have kept in a preservatives like 0.05 of sodium benzoate or benzoic acid. They are dipped into benzoic acid, so it lifespan will increase. So please avoid that refined sugar and preservatives like jam and others. So you can use like this. This is a natural sweetener, like it's jam. It is better, 100 times better than the jam. So you can use it in bread, and you can use it in an chapatis, dosas and other things. This is the organic, which is made up of pure sugarcane juice and herbal extract. It's very good for health and the children's health. The jaggery ginger powder. Now we have introduced jaggery ginger powder because the jaggery ginger powder is made up of dry ginger powder with jaggery. We have mixed in this, so it prevents constipation. Ginger burns, it mainly burns fat, and which is rich in minerals and strengthens the immunity. We are doing this kadak chai like the what we will do. We will do this masala tea, and another in we will put it the sugars, and we will do masala tea. You can easily put this 2 tablespoon for the tea. It will become masala tea, and the coffee also masala coffee. It is a very famous in some other northern countries. This is a masala chai. It's very good to take it daily twice. It's very good in benefits in health development. Comes the chemical free dry red chili powder. In the markets, first we should see in the market we will get with adulteration of the chemicals like preservatives, like I had told that time only. Sodium for liquid 0.05 ml benzoic acid, and for the solid they will use as sodium benzoate as an preservatives. When you eat this, so it causes the stomach burn and stomach sensation, burning sensation. So they will put for this an added colors, which is in a red colors, so the customers will attract. We are not doing any this organic, we are not doing this adding colors and the preservatives. Only we will sell what is olden days method, and we will prepare in olden days method, and we will pack it and we will sell. Like this, when we come to the benefits, it helps in the heart diseases, nasal conjugation, aids in weight loss, promote digestive health. Our company main motto is to provide a good quality food for the customers. This is a vacuum packed organic millets. We have vacuum packed organic millets and vacuum packed groceries also. Why we will pack here in a vacuum pack? Because we don't use any boric acids like in rice. When we pack in this type of vacuum pack, there will be no formation of any worms or something. It will not get any fermentation or something. So we will use vacuum packed groceries. We don't put any vacuum packed groceries. We don't add any preservatives to preserve it. Which is a natural vacuum packed groceries. You can keep up to 1 year or 2 years. We have now 5,000 happy customers for this vacuum packed groceries. Next comes the premium quality Kashmiri saffron. We deal with the premium quality Kashmiri saffron. This is Kashmiri saffron, which is very costly in the world when compared to Afghan saffron, Bangladesh saffron, because nowadays they will do adulteration for this also. They do fraud in this also, because the Kashmiri saffron is very costly. So they will give Afghani saffron this is also a Kashmiri saffron. So it is not a Kashmiri saffron. So what is the benefit? First you should know about what is the benefit of this Kashmiri saffron and what is it, and you should know that. First one, it is more than 75,000 caucus flowers are needed to produce 1 pound of saffron. Means like this cactus flower like the 70,000 should need for only 1 pound of saffron. So this spice is used extensively in the medicines, cooking, and in Kashmir some claiming that saffron is an aphrodisiac. We'll see our GLI Kashmiri saffron. It is a premium quality Kashmiri saffron. From we have collaborated with the Kashmiri farmers, and we will take from them and we will pack and resell it. This is a premium quality Kashmiri saffron. We have packed like this for 1 grams, and if you need in a 50 or 100 grams, we will provide like this. And this is known as a Kashmiri Khawa mix. It is made up of premium quality Kashmiri dry fruits and this one the saffron. Saffron is very good for pregnant ladies and small childrens. Thank you for your cooperation. And you need any business requirements or something, we will give an wholesale prices in our near our godown, and you can contact me. My number is 9901079265. I will put in the description, and you can contact me for the wholesale price for this organic food products. Thank you for all supporting for this GLI